Duke of Windsor, formerly King Edward VIII, married American socialite Wallis Simpson on this day in 1937. This was a controversial wedding and an unusually understated one for someone of a former king's stature. Edward VIII had to abdicate the throne to marry the American divorcee, as the union was opposed to by the Church of England and most British politicians at that time. They could not accept an American woman twice divorced as the Queen of England. Edward could not be dissuaded and he abdicated the throne in order to marry Wallis Simpson. Astronaut Ed White emerged from the orbital spacecraft Gemini 4 on this day in 1965, becoming the first American astronaut to walk in space. White opened the hatch of the spacecraft and used the handheld maneuvering oxygen jet gun to push himself out of the capsule. White propelled himself to the end of the 8-meter tether and back to the spacecraft 3 times using the handheld gun. After the first 3 minutes, the fuel ran out and White maneuvered by twisting his body and pulling on the tether. Iranian Shia cleric Ruhollah Khomeini, known to the West also as Ayatollah Khomeini, died in Tehran on this day in 1989. He was the supreme spiritual and political figure for the country and oversaw events that marked a turning point in Iran. He led the revolution that overthrew Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi in 1979. While the revolution saw participation by Islamists, leftists and student movements, power was consolidated by Khomeini and his supporters, making the role of the Imam central to Iranian life. United Nations Conference on Environment and Development by the name of Earth Summit Conference was held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil from June 3rd to 14th in 1992. This conference was held to reconcile worldwide economic development with protection of the environment. The Earth Summit was the largest gathering of world leaders as of 1992, with 117 heads of state and representatives of 178 nations in all attending. American boxer and social activist Muhammad Ali died in Scottsdale, Arizona today in 2016. Ali was one of the most admired and dominant heavyweight boxers in the history of the sport. He was nicknamed the greatest and perhaps even justified the moniker by becoming one of the most celebrated sports figures in the 20th century. After retiring from boxing in 1981, he devoted his life to religion and charity. Ali has been the subject of numerous creative works, including books, films, music, video games, TV shows, and others.